Hi, scientists. Welcome back to another fun week of science exploration. And this week we'll be focusing on learning more about the moon phases and tides and how this has an impact on the Earth. Here's a diagram that I'd like us to study on the Earth, Moon, and Sun. As you look at this diagram, you notice that the Sun is at the center because the Sun is at the center of our solar system. And you also notice that the Earth is actually revolving around the Sun. And while the Earth is revolving around the Sun, the Moon is simultaneously, at the same time, revolving around the Earth and the Sun. Now, I would like us to take a look at a video, and this video is on the Moon. And what we will see in the video is that the Moon, it changes over time. I want you to take a look at the video, and while you're watching this video, you're going to jot down some notes in your student journal. And your student journal, you will be able to make a copy of it once you click on the journal. It looks like this for week 9. You're going to go down to the See, Think, Wonder chart. I want you to write down, what are you seeing while you're watching the video? What do you think is going on? And then what does it make you wonder? What questions come up as you're watching this video? So what you're going to have to do is click on this Phases of the Moon video. And I will tell you that the video is really quick. So what you'll need to do is you will actually need to probably watch this more than one time. So I'm going to go back to the beginning and I'm going to let you watch the video. And again, while you're watching this video, you want to make observations. What do you see? What are you thinking? And what does it make you wonder? Or what other questions do you have? All right. So again, that was really quick. And as you notice, you see that the moon begins to grow and then it decreases. So you see a little bit of light, more light, more light, more light. And then it's a full moon and then it decreases. All right. Let's look at this picture. This is a picture of what we could say is a tide. This is usually what we see when we observe tides at where the ocean meets the earth or where a river meets the earth. And what we want to try to understand is, how are tides impacting us on Earth? And is there a correlation between the moon and our tides? Let's find out. And we won't necessarily find out today, but we will find out about more of this as we go through our lesson on Wednesday. But again, I want you to use your journal. I want you to write down some of the things that you see, what it makes you think, and then what are you wondering? What questions do you have after you watch this next video? So that was pretty interesting. I want you to think about what you saw, what you were thinking, and what you're wondering now. And before we get into our facts about the moon, the second part of your day 1 activity, excuse me, will be observing the moon throughout the week. So what I want you to do is to think about, what are you seeing in the sky? I want you to go look out your window tonight. I want you to either go outside in your yard What do you see in the sky? What does the moon look like at night? And I want you to jot down the date, the time, and draw a picture of what you see in the sky. And I want you to do this throughout the week. So you want to do this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So it's a little bit of homework, but it shouldn't be too hard. And as you're doing that, I want you to also think about, can you identify the phase of the moon in the night sky when you see the moon on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? And what phase do you think will be next? Now, maybe you don't know a whole lot about the phases of the moon, and that's okay. But if you want to take a guess at it, or if you do know some things about the moon, you can write that down. And we will talk more about this on Wednesday.